Hello students, today we are going to start our computer subject 6th lesson, that is using a mouse. Students, in this lesson we are going to study about uses of mouse and how to handle the mouse. A computer mouse is used to point to items on the screen. A wire connected the mouse to the CPU. Note that it is a place on a mouse pad. First is holding a mouse. A mouse usually has a left button and a right button. Most of us are right-handed, so we place our right hand over the mouse. The forefinger is placed over the left mouse button. Now when we move the mouse, a pointer moves on the screen. Look at the student on the screen. Clicking the left mouse button with your forefinger. When you move the mouse, then move the automatically pointer also. Okay, next point is clicking a mouse. We clicking the left button on the mouse with the forefinger. We click the right button on the mouse with the middle finger. We can click the left button once we hear one clicking sound, then, or we can click it twice. How many clicking sounds will we be able to hear the sound? Okay. Next is drag and drop. We can use the mouse to drag and drop items on the screen. This means that we drag an atom from one place to another place and drop it at another. Okay, let us learn to drag and drop an items on the screen. If you want to drag a folder from one place to another, we place the mouse pointer on the folder and press the left button of the mouse. Next, we keep the button pressed and move the mouse. We will see the folder moving across the screen. It is being dragged. When we let go of the mouse button, the folder will get dropped whenever it is. You do practice on the computer, then easily you drag and drop the folders and files. Okay, next is care of a mouse. If we turn the mouse over, we see something like this. The ball roll when we move the mouse. Now, to keep the mouse working well, the ball should be clean. So, the mouse pad should be free of dust. If your work is finished, then you clean your mouse pad and mouse also. Okay, children, keep the mouse pad clean and hold and use the mouse properly. I hope that you have understood what I taught you today. Now let us see a video to get more information.
Children, you already know about the computer mouse. Do you remember? It is a pointing device with a tail. Do you remember that a mouse normally has two buttons on it? Let us now learn more about the mouse. Mouse is an input device. It helps us to point at any item on the screen and also to draw pictures. Mouse pointer. Mouse pointer is displayed on the screen as a slanting arrow. It is different than the text cursor. As you move the mouse in a particular direction, the mouse pointer moves on the screen in the same direction. You can move the mouse to a desired location on the screen. Earlier, the computer mouse had a roller ball at the bottom for movement. Nowadays, a mouse does not have any ball at the bottom. It uses infrared light instead of a ball for movement. This device is called an optical mouse. Mouse pad. The pad on which we put the mouse and move it is known as mouse pad. How to hold a mouse. Place your palm on the mouse. Hold it with your thumb and 2 fingers. A scrolling wheel is usually there in between the left and right mouse buttons. Such a mouse is a scroll mouse. The wheel helps you to scroll a page up and down. Place your index finger on the left button and middle finger on the right button. Now, move the mouse on the mouse pad and look at the movement of the pointer on the screen. It moves in the direction in which you move the mouse. Scrolling means moving up and down. Mouse action. There are 5 mouse actions: left click, double click, right click, drag and drop, and scrolling. Left click or click. Gently press the left mouse button once and release it. The mouse makes a click sound. This is known as clicking. A single left click, simply called click, is generally used to select an item on the screen. Left click is also used to position the text cursor somewhere between the text to make a correction. Double click. Gently press the left mouse button twice at a short interval and release it. It is called double click. Double click is generally used to open a window or a program. Double click opens a selected item. We first point to an item by moving the mouse over it and then double click over there. Right click. Press and release the right mouse button. This is called right click. Right clicking shows a list of commands or a pop-up menu on the monitor. Drag and drop. Drag and drop is used to move or copy an item from one place to another on the screen using the mouse. Move the pointer over an item on the screen. Press the left button and hold. Holding this button, move or drag the pointer to the place where you want to place the item. Release the button. Observe, the item appears on the new place. If you repeat the same while pressing the control key, a copy of the item will be created.
Students, did you understood the video about using a mouse? Now let us summarize the topic. A computer mouse is used to point to items on the screen. We click the left button on the mouse with this forefinger. We click the right button on the mouse with the middle finger. We can use the mouse to drag and drop items on the screen. We must keep the mouse pad free of dust. So, student, with this our chapter is completed and you studied about work of computer. So please read this lesson from your book carefully. I have sent exercise with you. Need to open by clicking on the blue link of exercise and write. Children, you also need to solve the MCQ test. Students, your first term syllabus is over. Do study properly. Bye all of you. Stay safe at home. Thank you.